working, I'ma work it out, yeah. I keep on going till the lights go down, yeah. Till the lights go. Everybody wanna make millions, but not everybody been working. Everybody know they got brilliance, but not everybody been searching. Everybody rap about money and hoes, but they got neither. Everybody knows, always been keeping it real. Every time that I spit in the flow, I've been going to get it, they not gon' forget it. I've been going up, they been staying afloat. My music been personal, telling my stories. I'm telling the truth and my life been exposed. Talking to fans that we in it together. I'm never gon' turn even under the pressure. I'm keeping it true to myself. Don't matter to me if the curtains are open and closed. Everything I wanted, I got it. Always wanted more, so I'll never be stopped.
Alright guys, it's Anse from Dirty United. We're down in Hatfield. We're down on the Hatfield McCoy trails. Woo. And we're on single track trail 181. So it's one of the harder trails to ride. We're gonna give it a shot. We're on 2015 KX 250. Ooh. It is pretty rutted up. You can tell some quads have been through here. I'm gonna give it my best shot. See what we can get ourselves into. Oh, steep drop. Oh. Not too bad yet. But with it being 181, you just never know. It's a pretty high level trail. Oh, that is tight. That is some tight single track. Alright, well, here we go. Woo. I'd hate to have to come up this. Committed now. Probably not going to get out of second gear too much on this trail. This is a fun trail. It is tight though. That rut was pretty bad. Whoa, that was so deep. Oh, here we go. Dropping back in. Guess it keeps going down. There's some ruts down here. Ooh, a little squirrely through there. Okay, we're gonna go this way over that. Get back on that rear brake. Tight. Dang, these are some tight trails. I knew it was single track, but I didn't expect this. Gotta dodge these trees. Let's see, another downhill. I'm just glad I'm not going up it, because this would be pretty difficult. Some of those uphills. Oh my gosh. Like that first one with all that big giant rut. Uh-oh. Whew. Whew. Not a great place to stall. All right, let's see if we can get her going right here. That is steep. I might have to walk it. You know what? Let's get another run at it. We're gonna put her in first. I think we're gonna get another run. Let's see if we can't spin the bike around here. Whew. You know what? We might just have to back it down. Oh. Okay. Whew. Sorry if all you hear is me huffing and puffing. This is a tough one. Whew. All right. I think that should be a good enough run up. Now, do we go with the rut or do we go against it? That I'm still trying to figure out here. Oh, there's another way up. Oh, that looks tough though. All right, let's try this one more time. Oh, no. Oh man, that's tough. Dang, that's tough. All right, let's see if we can't just push it. All right, let's put her over there. Let's see if we can start it. Or actually, no, I'll push from this side. Whew. All right, hill number 1 complete. Oh, this is tough. I'll tell you, you better be ready if you're coming here. Oh man, that's tough to stall right here. Oh, shoot. Oh, right on the tree. Okay. Whew. Oh man, I'm out of shape. Let's see if I can get my handlebar there. Put her in neutral. Oh. There we go. Woo. First hill complete. Man, this is tough. I was watching videos like you guys are about this. And I was thinking to myself, oh, I can do it. Man, it is harder than you think when you get here. A lot harder. This is only 181. I'm pretty sure it goes up to like 199. And I'm not nowhere skilled enough to be doing 199. I don't even think I got the skills to be doing this. But here we are. Taking our sweet time down these hills. take our time, you know. I'm gonna need a break. Whew. Oh, I just stalled. Trying to dodge that tree with my arm. Whew. It's pretty tight coming through here. Oh, here's a big old rut. Man, if you got a 2-stroke, I'd take it through here if I were you. Don't bring your 4-stroke, especially if you're bad, like me, because it probably won't play out too well, just like this, stalling everywhere, making yourself look like a goon in front of all your buddies. Not that I got anybody with me, but I'd imagine I look like a goon. Oh wait, what's over that? Oh, nothing. Alright. And I hope this is a one-way trail. I hate to have somebody come down while I'm trying to go up a hill. Oh, man, first gear really saving me right now. Oh boy, how am I going to get up that? That looks freaking difficult. Oh man, I'll tell you what, I don't know how I'm gonna get up that. Whew. That's freaking steep. Oh man, that's real freaking steep. I don't know if that's a trail over there, but oh man. Whew. Okay, break's over. Let's see we can get up this. Oh, now we're in a bad spot. Let's back it down. Oh, just a little bit. See if I can get a better run up at this. My dad's on a quad and he should be meeting me around on the other side. Whew. Maybe he can get me up here. might need a tow. All right, let's see here. Get you in neutral. I wish that was a bailout trail. That'd be nice. All right. Not up that way. All right, let me see if I can get off and push it. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, maybe not. Pin me against the tree a little bit. Almost have it. Almost there. Let's see if we can get this thing started from down here. Okay. It'd be nice to have some electric start right now. Oh, that sucked. Once again, I'm no pro, so maybe you guys will make this look easy. Tell you what, it ain't easy for me. Oh my gosh. Okay, new plan. Let's see if I can pick it up maybe? I don't know. We're gonna give that a shot. Let's push this over there. Oh. Oh yeah, we can drag it. Oh yeah. Oh, it ain't cheating. Whew. Ain't cheating if it works. You gotta be able to manhandle your bike though. Whew. Let's get that out of there. Oh, okay. That ain't a bad hill. I don't think. Looks can be deceiving. Getting on this trail, it was double wide. I thought, oh, it can't be that bad. Here we are. Oh, there's a gecko over there. All right. Let's see what we can do here, huh? Nope. That wasn't it. All right. There we go. Oh my gosh, are we free? We're free. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. That is trail 181.
Now, if it wasn't working, I